got a 3-pack over there. A couple widgeon. Lucky duck. More decoys.
Give me one more and take the bag.
Kill hole. Point.
I'll give you the bag.
Kill hole with a bunch of decoys. Decoys up front.
Oh, leave that with our stuff. I don't want to put them out right now.
And a nice little pile back there too. So we kind of got a W going on this morning. So I'll show you more of the setup once it gets light. We got about 15 minutes till shooting light. So got to get unloaded and other stuff too. So catch you guys in a bit. Morning there, Matt.
Morning, everybody. So we've got an awesome spot today for our Wyoming opener. Basically, we found for Wyoming, it's crazy. We have plume birds this early season. So what we did is try to match what we were seeing yesterday to an extent. There was 70 birds here. So what we saw, widgeon, mallards, and wood ducks, fully plumed wood ducks. So that's pretty sweet. Basically what we got going on, we got a W going on here. We've got our motion ducks out here. We got 2 spinners coming into the holes. And this stuff is just, I don't know if you can look at this, it's full of smartweed. I mean, we were just chock full from our drought last year. It kind of popped up really good and they were in here thick. So with everything dragged in, we're gonna try without a blind today. We just got these 6-foot tall cattails over here.
We'll hop in there, show we're off.
Yeah, so basically we're just gonna try to natural hide this. Hopefully it works. We got dogs and everything else, so basically we'll walk out of our path and just like that. I mean, it's taller than me. So seeing the birds might be an issue, but I think it's gonna be a blast. Here we go. Wish us luck, guys. Wyoming Opener 2022.
See you guys.
Mason,
Shooting light.
Matt, buck and duck.
Say that again.
Give me Mason, Jake, Matt. We're gonna let her buck.
Mason, it's shooting light right now. Do you want to try to take those ones on the far side, or what do you want to do?
I'm gonna take that goose.
Is he close enough?
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Stand up when we're ready. You ready?
Is that one talking? Is it flying in?
No, it's on the water. You ready?
I guess. Opening day, baby. Let's do this.
Get up. See them all.
Oh, look at them all in the cove.
You got the goose. Above you.
There you got her.
You got a duck and goose.
Kill that goose, Mace.
He's dead, isn't he?
Nope, he's swimming. I don't think I killed it. And ducks over there.
One.
On that side?
No, he's behind us.
No, I saw the one you killed behind us.
No, I didn't do it. Matt, you see that goose? Where is he?
He's down in the weeds on the other side now. His head was up. He was swimming in my direction. Call, Mace. Call. Pulled 2. I saw your goose swimming.
Down, ducks.
Where at, Jake? Where at? Take him. No. Right there.
Jake's gone. Oh, Jake, take him.
Shot behind it.
I did too. Did you get him or no?
Shot behind him.
Where's that?
A coot.
I couldn't tell if it was one of his injured birds or not. That was about. I'm gonna go help find birds real quick. Let me know if you can actually yell at me if you hear something coming though. Fuck, dude, you got white shells laying everywhere. Behind you, behind you. Rami, here. Fucking fuckers. There, I got it. Get him, Rami, get him. I guess that's one way to do it, huh? Oh yeah, yeah, Mace, Jake coming right over top, right here, 3-pack. You wanna let him run one time? That's too high, that's too high. Hit him, Mace. Look at that, fucking turn him. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Where'd the other two go? You ready, Jake? But Mace, you better just take them.
That's way too far. That's 12 or 300 shells.
That's as far as the ducks were earlier. Dude, those are pigeons. If they come this way, I can light them up. Get ready. Light them up, boy. Don't shoot my truck. I still think we could just shoot them. They're pigeons. Let them have it.
Hey, you got one. He's going down. Did we get any?
Dude, I'm pretty sure there's like 3 of them on the ground over there I can see.
Come here.
Touch them up, Remy. Go get them. I only had 2 shells on my gun.
I triple tapped when I was stuck in the mud. I thought it was like 16 ducks. I was like, guys.
Dude, that'd have been sweet if they were ducks. Here? Or do you guys want me to move?
Right on, this door.
Okay, hold on, they're banking. Don't move. Remy, come on. Hurry up. Sit. Goddamn dogs. Mace, call your dog. Come on. Those mallards came out of nowhere too. It should be like, I'm thinking maybe Cattail Island there. Hunt them up. Oh, there he's, Mace. Or teal. Get him, Jake.
Did a good number on the birds today. Community birds, tinies, my goose, drake, hen, blown up drake, some coots. Good day.